Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. So do you have this type of boring GitHub profile? Don't worry, I got your cover. So today we are exploring this amazing website which will help you to create a modern and beautiful GitHub profile. Check out this website GPRM. I will attach the link in the description. So first we have to enter our GitHub username. So mine is Vaidehi2701. Okay, next we have to add some introduction like about me section. So I already copy paste this one. So let me just paste it. There. Now we have to click on next. Now which theme we want? Obviously we will go with the dark theme. Okay, so lifetime commit, private commit. It will show me the streak as I have zero as of now. I know. Okay, so let's click on next. Okay, so now we have to add our social links like Instagram, Discord link. If you are on Quora, then enter your username, TikTok username, Twitter username, everything you can add. So just let me edit mine. Now click on next. Okay, so now I have to add the tech stack. Okay, so I know the C language, C, C++, Dart, then HTML5. Okay, I know somewhat PHP also, like basic, not much into it, but let's select it. Then we have to select the hosting servers. Okay, I know the AWS, I know the Oracle, Heroku, Google Cloud, I know. Okay, great. Have to add the framework, platform, and library. So I know obviously Flutter. Then I know the basic of Node.js. I know the Android. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, that's it. Then server. Server, I didn't know much about it. Then next is database. I know the SQLite, then MongoDB, MySQL. Yeah. Then design. Design I know Adobe After Effects, then Adobe Photoshop, Canva I use it on daily basis, Figma I know. Yeah, that's it. And you can select the more like machine learning tools than other tools. You can all add it. Now let's say next. Now next here you can add the link for your buy me coffee, or if you have any PayPal link or anything, you can add it. Let me just add the username of my buy my coffee. So that is Vaidini2701. I don't have PayPal account. I'm not sure. We'll add it later. Okay, so now we have to add some additional stuff like we can add the trophies, we can add the visitor counts, then we can add the dev codes. That's great. Or we can also change the theme of each and every one. So yeah, I guess we will go with Bill only. That's the good. Okay, then add top contributed repo list. Add random memes. Oh, you can add the memes also. Let's try it out. Then next. Okay, so yeah, that's it, I guess. The profile is ready. So we can see the preview. So that is the about me section that we first enter. Then this is the social media links, tech stack, then GitHub. I guess it is not loading. Maybe the connection issue. Then trophy, codes, okay, memes. Okay, here also I get my buy my coffee link. That's great. So now what we have to do next is we just have to copy the code and paste it on our GitHub Readme file and you are good to go. So I just copy the code from the link and we have to open our GitHub profile, open the Readme file and paste the all code and yeah, commit the changes. Okay, commit. Looks good, right? Yeah. Here you can see the GitHub state is also filled, right? I guess name is not properly showing. Nevertheless, we can update it later. So let's again see it. Looks good, right? So customize your GitHub profile today as well and let me know the feedback in the comment section. And if you forget to subscribe the channel, then do it now. Okay, bye.